Hey, it's DJ Spy Guy here once again with another bike ride to work. It's very nice and sunny today. It is June the 19th, almost summertime here. It's about 15 or 16 degrees already. And it's going to be up to about 19 degrees.
Stream online at Thursday, June 19, 2025, 9 hours, 55 minutes, and 12 seconds a.m.
Thanks, text-to-speech guy.
Linux Physics said, hi.
Hey, Strava is running. I got everything with me. I even brought my camera so I can take some photos at lunch. Oh. I still have to try out setting my fancy camera up with the stream.
Oblivious Stone said, hi.
Hey, Oblivious Stone. Thanks for joining in. We're just waiting for the light to change. Sometimes it changes right away as soon as I push the button. Sometimes it takes a while. There we go. Oh, I get to run over this old guy. I won't. That'll be me one day. Oh, it's nice. These are the best days of weather we can have for riding my bike.
Linux Physics said, you only need the fancy camera for low light.
Well, yeah, but the camera has a big giant zoom lens, so it'll be kind of neat to maybe just set up shop somewhere in the False Creek, and or even I could do like the airport stream where the airport watching. Oh, those cops are not friendly. I guess you're not supposed to wave at a cop. Yeah, so we could like go to the airport and do like the plane watching stream with my tripod and big zoom lens. Hey bike, why are you making that noise? Bike noise is gone. Oh, why is there a double-decker bus up here? Tour bus. Come see beautiful Nanaimo Street.
Linux Physics said, newer bikes have internal cable and when they rattle inside the tube, there's not much you can do.
Actually, my first bike, the one I got this bike for the very first time, there was a piece of metal rattling around inside the frame, and so I got it replaced.
Rinson said, hi DJ Spy Guy.
Hey Rinson, we're just cruising on into work. watching these near misses.
Rinson said, absolutely lovely day.
It totally is. Hey, did you know that all sizes of Slurpees right now are only $2?
Linux Physics said, the snow is finally gone from the mountain.
Yeah. I just saw an empty Slurpee container, that's why I thought of that. It's actually going to be Slurpee Day soon, July 11th, right? They must have sugar-free Slurpees, right? I could go for a sugar-free Slurpee. So, last week I got an email from UPS saying a package has been delivered to me. And I checked the email and it had a photo of the package on the front steps of some unknown house to me. I'm like, huh, is this legit? I punched in the tracking number manually, and yeah, it was legit. And it was from a place I had ordered from before, from England for records. And then I'm like, but I didn't order anything. And I went and looked at my credit card statements. Nope, nothing has been. And also a place where I'm not ordering from ever again because of the crazy shipping fees. And also, what's this guy doing? The shipping fees and then customs taxes and all that stuff. So today, my landlord says, oh, there's a package that's being delivered to you. I'm like, huh. And he gets it out, and it's the same package I saw in the photo from last week at someone else's house. So I get inside, bring it inside, open it up, and it's like the two latest album releases on vinyl from my favorite record label, actually, from England. I'm like, huh. So either I won them in a contest somehow, or I don't know how I got these things.
Linux Physics said, bonus.
I think I might have added them to an order just to like see how much shipping would cost this time. And then I never completed the order. So maybe they sent it to me by mistake. I have no idea. But anyways, I got them. And one of the tracks is a re-release of one of the first.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, we can't make it. And one of the records is actually a re-release of one of the very first records I bought from that label like 25 years ago. And then there's a remix on the other side. But that's pretty awesome. What sucks is that the label is called Bedrock Records Limited, or Bedrock Records. And they release their singles.
Said, vinyl?
Yeah, vinyl. But they release their singles onto Apple Music as well. But to use their singles on Apple Music, they don't put the full-length single out. It's like a shortened version of the track. Whereas if you go to either on YouTube Music, they'll have the very full version of the single. So if I wanted to DJ with it on my equipment, I can't use the Apple Music version. Anyways. So yeah, cool. It's a great start to the day. hope this car doesn't pull out. Hey everybody, how's everybody going? We got a full house in here right now. Nice to see everybody. Monkey Bananas, Linux, Rinson, Oblivious Stone. Ugh. I'm gonna go past this guy. My Stanley Park YouTube video from the weekend should be up. It's going to debut over at on youtube.com/DJ Spy Guy at 12 noon today, where you get to see Rinson in that video. secret or guest star. And also some other Vancouver streamers are in that episode. And 1080p, 60 frames a second. Also, I will be in Victoria for my annual Victoria bike ride over and stream from the ferry terminal August 15th. That's a Friday. So that'll be fun. We'll see how many times the signal cuts out again after a year of infrastructure improvements.
Rinson said, boo.
Also, there's the bike rave, June 28th, I think, is the one of them. Just look up, was it bike_rave on the socials? Join in on the bike rave this year. From Trout Lake. Last year my back was all screwed up. So, but I'm feeling good now. Over the biggest speed bump of the journey in. I was actually going to go a different route today, but this is the best route, really. The other route goes by VCC. It has more hills, but it's a different bit of scenery. Breakfast place, I don't know the name of it, is packed. What is this called? City of Vancouver guy, not knowing where he's going, has his instructions in his hands. Okay, what is this place called? It's called Honeybee. Honeybee. I think it was spelled wrong though. Hunnybe. It's cool to spell your name wrong for a brand. Can we make this light? We could, but that truck is gonna kill me. So, no.
Linux Physics said, truck won't see you.
Is dog walker gonna go on a red light? That's not safe. Especially when you have animals. Oh, crazy. Let's go. It's crisscrossing everywhere. Oh, we can make this light though. And we can make, well, we can make this light, but we're gonna be stopped at the other light. Potentially. Unless I floor it. Yeah, I'm not going to. Actually, they have like a delay of 1 second there between the countdown timer. Oh, let's go see some people walking on the bike lane. I see them up there. We can say hi.
Linux Physics said, blame it on the dog.
Dog knows where it wants to go. Can you believe I walked my first dog only like 2 years ago? Ever? Maybe a year and a half ago. Walking a friend's dog. I'd never walked a dog before. I walked the dog in yo-yo form. I could do that. Oh, the goslings are almost full
Monkey
size.
Banana said, did you enjoy walking the pod?
It was fun. My friend had 2 little dogs about the same, so I had one and he had the other. They like to stop at every tree to pee and sniff at everything. Okay, we're gonna do the Mario Kart shortcut here. And we're gonna say hi to our fellow geese friends. Hello.
Linux Physics said, on that pedestrian crossing way back there, to get people to move faster, they should have a gap so that people have to do a run up to jump across.
Or trampoline or something, or the gymnastic jump thing. Or one of those Hot Wheels things that turbocharges your car down the track. Because it's so nice out, we're gonna do like that little extendo bike ride. Also, my meeting is at 11 o'clock, so we'll be good. Oh, I got a bug on my glasses. Gone. Let's see if I can show you where I'm gonna eat my lunch today. I will, yeah. Oh no, I can't. There's people sitting there. Holy crap, that whole pond is drained. Look at this weather, great. I know I always talk about how awesome the weather is, but
Linux Physics said, are you going to share your lunch with the seagull?
usually it's the crows.
Linux Physics said, whether you want to or not.
Oh, yeah, the seagulls are pretty big. and mean, but usually I'll bring maybe a little Ziploc bag of peanuts or something and give them to the crows. Oh, the grass is actually drying out finally. It's that time of year where things start to turn from green to brown. Okay, prepare for uphill. Oh, we're gonna have a bus on our ass for this bike trip. It's okay. Actually, we're ahead of the bus now.
Linux Physics said, living here would be nice, but it's so inconvenient, like grocery or anything really.
Yeah, I mean, you only have, well, yeah, closest grocery store would be Save on Foods or Whole Foods. There's a 7-Eleven. But yeah, inconvenient to get out of this area. No quick walk to a little store. Are we gonna beat the bus?
Linux Physics said, to get there is long and bus frequency is terrible.
Yeah, we're gonna beat the bus. Actually, let's go across. Oh, I gotta go. That's annoying. Another dead crow on the road. Crazy. Let's see, can we get through here or is that... I'll wait for a second. No, there's a... Thank you. Yep. Cool. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I'll be back again this afternoon. Once again, check out the Stanley Park.
Linux Physics said, thanks for the stream. Have a great day. Wampy Womp said, just want to say hello. I've been living vicariously through your commutes.
Oh.
Thanks for streaming. Monkey Banana said, thanks for the views.
Awesome. Thanks, Wompy Womp. That's awesome. Yeah, I'll keep doing this until I can't do it anymore. So, thanks for joining me. Make sure to go to djspyguy.com, I guess, or youtube.com/djspyguy, and you'll see the Stanley Park Seawall bike ride I did on Father's Day, posted at 12 noon PST today. Thanks, everyone. Bye, Oblivious Stone. Bye, Monkey Bananas. Bye, Linux. Bye, Wompy Womp. Bye, Monkey Bananas. Oh, I said Monkey Bananas. Bye, Rinson. Ed Noriel. See ya.